Hey guys, Robert H here. We didn't get any member recaps today, so I'm just going to do a quick one on GOOS. There's a little funny story behind this too. So GOOS sold off at the open, and Andrew caught it on this opening range breakdown above VWAP. And I normally don't like to take my opening range breakdowns above VWAP. I like them to be below. So I didn't catch that, but Andrew turned out to be correct, and it showed incredible weakness and just sold off like 3.4 points or something here. Didn't care about this moving average VWAP or this moving average. It didn't give a crap about it. So anyways, it pulled back, came up, and I watched it for a 10-minute orb, because sometimes, you don't always have to catch the 5-minute orb. There's opportunity to catch the 10-minute orb as long as VWAP isn't too far and it isn't too extended. So it pulled back quite a bit here. I think some people might have got squeezed on this. This is our big moves. You look at the axis here, that's probably like a $1 move, if not more. Anyways, I set my stop loss above this moving average, slightly above, and then I was hoping to get, so if you look up here, I think the moving average was around 57 there, and I was hoping to get here and below. So my risk to reward was pretty good. It's about, maybe 2 to 1. And I went short at 9:42 a.m. I think. And then we just sold off. We just sold off incredibly fast. I was really blown away. I was just covering the same way Andrew normally does, right? And as you can see here, I saw this moving average, so I just started taking it off really aggressively. But we just fell through that moving average like nothing. And it took some more off here, and then it bounced off this double bottom here, as you can see on the 5-minute chart. So we didn't really quite get here, but we did bounce off this, and as soon as we bounced really hard, I just took the rest off. What's funny though, so what actually explains this bounce is that, and if you guys were in the chat this morning, you probably saw me mention that my chart looked absolutely nothing like Andrew's in terms of that 200 moving average. Mine was showing, Andrew's was showing the correct moving average, which is here. And that's why it bounced so hard off here. In here, it just looks like it bounced in no man's land, but it actually bounced off the right 200. And I was scaling out like a fool in outer space here, while everyone else was looking at this, right? So I took profit way too early. If I had seen this correctly, I would have not taken off so much. I would have had much more left to get here and probably made quite a bit more money. But anyways, back to that setting. I sent it to DOS, and I'm hoping to hear back from them, see if it's a bug or not. But basically, on the 1-minute chart, this only applies on the 1-minute chart. If you have this setting at 2 or greater, then you'll get this correct moving average. But if you have this setting at 1 or blank, then you're going to get this incorrect or fake moving average. I don't know what's fake or what's real, but I'm pretty sure the one Andrew had was real, because as you can see, the price action did follow that, right? So anyways, yeah, that's the recap. Similar trade to Andrew. Didn't catch the big move, but I still caught a rather large move, and this one trade returned 2.5% of my account. It's one and done type of day. I want to keep this one and done streak going, just to show you guys that, all the stuff that I've been ranting about, there's some truth behind it, and I'd like to live by my own philosophies and my own advice. So that's the recap. Everyone have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys in the chat on Monday.